A warm welcome from EcoCheeks of HPS from Hosur, India. Dowry-related practices should be avoided. Basically, dowry is an old age practice which has persisted and driven many women to death. The women are tortured physically and mentally by the husbands and in-laws. Nearly 5,000 women are dead annually because of this. In order to stop this, girls must be educated to have a good career, to be independent and responsible. We should never encourage the practice of giving dowry at any cost. Remove the gender pay gap. This means that the men and women working in the same company do not get equal salary, whereas men are being paid more and women are being paid less. A girl or a woman should file a complaint against the company because men and women are giving the same amount of effort to the work they do. There is no reason that the woman should be paid less.
Share household chores and childcare equality. Household chores and childcare equality are every adult's responsibility. The work of caring children is still done mainly by women in much of the world. According to the studies, the overload of household chores can increase women's chances of mental illness, besides depressing their productivity at work, consequently affecting their salaries. Hire and promote diversity. One way to increase the hiring of women and other underrepresented groups, according to diversity consultant, is to remove names, photos, and address from the resume early in the selection process, because gender and race biases can affect what happens even before the interview. Value stimulate and hire diverse teams.
Support mothers and parents. Those responsible for children and teens need support in every society. Offering bus seats to a pregnant woman, advocating the installation of children's changing rooms in all bathrooms, or all asking companies to guarantee maternity and paternity leave are all the necessary actions. The latest UN data released shows that only 53% of country offers at least 14 weeks of maternity leave. Even worse, only 48% of country offer any paternity leave. Sexual harassment and racism. Employees must have safe channel to report bullying, sexual harassment and racism without being exposed or dismissed. Proven cases should be punished. April Rain explains that it is important to note how people who are most vulnerable presented on the committee that investigates the allegation.
Watch for signs of domestic violence. The UN quoted that if you experience domestic violence, be aware that you're not alone. Violence can be in any form, physically or mentally. Affected women mostly seek out family and friends, and many lead to suicides. Our school HPS has a counselor and a student counselor who supports and finds solutions for these issues. Help women gain power. According to UN Women, only 17 countries have female heads of state and government. In addition to politics, consider ways to support the promotion of women in arts, science, sports, and other fields.
National Policy for Empowerment of Women was adopted in 2001, which states that all forms of violence against women, physical, mental, domestic, societal levels, including those arising from customs, traditions, or accepted practices, dealt with effectively with a view to eliminate its incidence. Some of the national policies are Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013, Violence Against Women and Children Act 2013 to 2025. Motivation and effective leadership help women in gaining confidence and they aim to achieve their goal. To achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls, those who face problems, we, the students of HPS, has signed a petition to the President of India to fulfill our goal. Thank you.